Hi guys, Mrs. Millison. Okay, in this video we're going to learn about if-else statements. So I've created a file called if-else and made my main method, excuse me. Okay, so how this differs from if statements. In an if statement, we just said if something is true, then do this. But here, with an if-else, we're going to say if something is true, do something, but if it was false or if not, do something else. Okay, so let's go ahead and create some variables to work with. So I have the variable num1. Okay, so I'm going to create an if statement. I want to know whether this number is less than or equal to 5 or greater than 5. So I'm going to create an if statement, and it's going to say, let's see, if num1 is greater than or equal to 5, what do I want to do? I'm going to simply print a statement that says, oops, actually I'm going to say num1 is greater than or equal to 5. Okay. Oh, spelled the system wrong. Okay. So if it is, if num1 is greater than or equal to 5, that's going to print out. But if it's not, I'm going to have an else statement. Okay. So I don't need anything with my else. This is just a second part to print if this is not true. So if num1 is greater than or equal to 5, it's true, it's going to print this. If not, it's going to print my else statement. So I'm going to say num1 is not greater than or equal. Oops. Okay. Oops. Didn't mean to put that space there. All right. So what's going to happen? It's going to print this one, right? The num2 is not greater than or equal to 5. Let's see. Hey, look at that. 2 is not greater than or equal to 5. Let's change num1 to 10. And what's going to happen? It should print 10 is greater than or equal to 5. Whoops. Oh, sorry. I was a little impatient. I hit run twice. There we go. 10 is greater than or equal to 5. Okay, so I like if else's because it gives you an option to choose something to do if the Boolean is true, and if the Boolean is not true, then you can do something else. So it's kind of nice. And of course, let's put something outside. Let's put something outside the whole if else, and we'll say the number is, and I already know the number, but I'm just trying to think of something to put outside. Okay, so this should print regardless, okay, because this statement here is not inside our if-else statement, okay? So 10 is greater than or equal to 5. The number is 10. Let's change this to -7. And of course, we should get -7 is not greater than or equal to 5, and the number is -7. Okay, so again, this will always print. It's not attached to the if statement, and either one of these will print whether the Boolean expression is true or false. Okay, again, we're going to see a lot of these coming up. All right, enjoy, and I will see you guys next time.